Today we'll be talking about my project where I am using light images to measure how much sediment is suspended in the water of Ujjaini Reservoir in Maharashtra. So the reservoir we are looking at is built on the Bhima Solapur district. It is a significantly large reservoir with the main drinking water and irrigation for cities like Solapur. Uh, are dependent on it. Track of its water quality is very. So why we are using a satellite-based approach? Because the traditional way to measure water samples, which is slow, costly, and only gives you data for a few points. And during floods, it's very dangerous to go out at all. So satellite fixes all of this. They cover the entire reservoir in one pass. They come back every 5 days. The data is free, and no one has to go anywhere. So, and we can also keep a check of the trends, historical trends of the data as well. And so, satellite imagery. Here's what actually looks like. These are two images from the same reservoir. One is from the pre-monsoon period and from the post-monsoon period. We can clearly see the difference in how it looks and the change in the color as well. Change in the color demonstrates the different concentration of sediments. Talking about the stakeholders, there are quite a few groups who would benefit from this research. Water authorities, farmers, city municipalities, environmental agencies, etc. Uh, so the two groups that benefit the most are water authorities and urban municipalities. Water authorities like MWRRA that sees over the water authority of Maharashtra can use this to track sedimentation, plan operations, and make decisions during floods without needing field teams. And for municipalities in Pune and Solapur, high sediment means higher treatment costs and risks to drinking water. With satellite data, they can see a problem before it hits the treatment plant. Uh, so, talking about the literature review that I had done, so a lot of on the satellite to measure sediment. Most of it exists on the like the Yangtze. So when no such study exists. So this is the one of the main reason and the motivation for this research. And talking about the unique contributions, what makes this study different is basically four things. It's focused on the Ujjaini reservoir, which has not been studied this way before. It compares multiple spectral indices to see which works best. It tests machine learning algorithms alongside traditional approaches, and workflow is designed so it can be reused for other reservoirs across India. This is the methodology that I am following, and it basically includes of 6 steps. First, the literature review, which is done. Then we collect satellite images from Sentinel-2 satellite, clean them up through pre-processing, pull out the relevant spectral features, build and test our models, and finally check how accurate they are against real field data. So yeah, this is the methodology. And so to wrap up, this project uses free satellite data and modern tools to monitor a reservoir that a lot of people depend on, and where this kind of study simply has not been done before. So yeah, thanks.